Welcome to Introduction to Programming. In this lesson, we're going to give you some fundamental programming concepts that are applicable no matter what development strategy you're using or what programming language you prefer. Let's start with design. All good programming should be software engineering. Well, to be clear, software engineering is not a synonym for programming. In other words, simply writing code does not make software engineering. So what are the basics of software engineering? First and foremost, design. In anything that is engineered, it is designed and modeled first. Now later we will cover in later lessons some very specific design methodologies you may choose to implement. At this point though, the issue is not which methodology you prefer. The issue is really that you're doing some level of design. You're thinking about your code before your hands touch the keyboard. Testing. Now, testing should not be just an ad hoc process wherein you ask a colleague to bang away on your program for a bit, and if they find nothing amiss, good enough. That's not testing. Software engineering, when practiced correctly, is truly an engineering discipline, and that means there are specific standards that tell you how to conduct a reliable test. Basically, testing, if it's not done reliably, might as well have not been done at all. Again, in later lessons, we're going to cover very specific testing methodologies and standards that you can use. Modeling is something that often gets overlooked in software engineering. And to be totally frank, if it's a very trivial program, modeling may not be particularly important. But with complex applications, particularly those that are multi-tier, interacting with services and back-end data